Shalom. I want to begin first and foremost giving our praises to the Heavenly Father Yahweh and His only begotten Son Yahweh Shai, whom the world ignorantly calls Jehovah and Jesus. The name of the Father, the real name of the Father being Yahweh, meaning He exists. The real name of the Son being Yahweh Shai, meaning He delivers. I want to give all praises in the ancient Hebrew tongue while facing the east towards Jerusalem. Pa halal, la, Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Rokah Kodash, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, the water, Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Rokah Kodash. Double honors to the apostles, the elders, Yasharala, Greatmillstone, Shalom to the 144,000, Shalom to the elect, the nation of Israel, who are the descendants of the slaves identified today as the so-called African Americans, so-called Hispanics, Latinos, and Native Americans. My name is Maka'ala, and today I want to talk about the ongoing floods that the Lord has been bringing for the longest around the world. All right, the Lord has been hitting places with floods for a while now, man, like the past 2 years. Rescuers save families, farm animals, and one pet hamster after Russian floods. Floodwaters caused by heavy rain engulfed villages in a sparsely populated part of eastern Russia. All right, and you got here, children make up half of more than 170 killed in Pakistan floods. Relentless floods have claimed the lives of more than 170 people in eastern Pakistan, about half of them children. And the latest catastrophe that underscores the country's vulnerability to the escalating climate crisis. At least 54 of the deaths came in the past 24 hours, according to the National Disaster Management Authority, after torrential rains swept through the most populous province of Punjab, collapsing homes and destroying roads. All right, these are just the preliminary figures. All right, once, probably a week from now, a week, 2 weeks from now, they're gonna get like the total tally, man. It'd be way more than 170. Could probably even be double that. All right, here you got videos.
On the 17th of July, 2025, a powerful storm struck two major Russian cities, Moscow and Novosibirsk. Torrential rains accompanied by lightning struck high-rise buildings in Moscow, while strong winds and hail caused damage across multiple areas. Sudden flash floods submerged main roads and underground parking lots, trapping vehicles and bringing the city to a standstill. In Novosibirsk, the storm hit with full force. Heavy rains and wind speeds reaching nearly 94 kilometers per hour flooded the streets, damaged infrastructure, and caused severe traffic jams. Red Avenue and other major roads were underwater, leaving thousands of vehicles stranded. Many residents were forced to abandon their cars and seek shelter in metro stations. The city's drainage system couldn't handle the extraordinary water volume. Part of the slope near the Oktyabrski Bridge was washed away by the powerful current. Now, the city is struggling to recover.
And footage shows heavy floods in Pakistan.
ये देखें, ये कोजी फाउंडेशन वाले चौक पे गाड़ियां उल्ट चुकी हैं पानी के अंदर, इतना शदीद सैलाब है.
So you can see that how the Lord is I've been making these videos about floodings that the Lord has been bringing to the earth for the longest, all right? And the Lord is bringing this judgment everywhere, man. These kinds of floods are happening like everywhere, man. Like doesn't matter what part of the earth these things could pop off, man. All right, and it even if it could be Esau behind it, still the Lord is ultimately the puppet master, and he's causing it to happen. Right, he's letting it happen. All right, and anybody who's not part of the elect, all right, is gonna be caught in these things, man. All right, but if you're part of the elect, all right, Psalms 32 verse 6, for this shall everyone that is godly pray unto thee in a time when thou mayest be found. Surely in the floods of great waters they shall not come nigh unto them. Right, and is it that floods of great waters, has several meanings. All right, that's talking about the armies, the troops that are going to be coming after the elect during the tribulation. And you also got a literal meaning that in places with that flood, right, that those waters are not going to touch any of the brothers. All right, yeah, you might probably lose your car, or your house might get damaged, or you might lose it. You might lose material possessions, but if you're part of the elect, Yahweh Bashim Shai won't let this affect you. Right, and Lord willing, if you're listening, you're part of the elect, and Lord willing, I'm part of the elect as well. So I'm gonna leave it there. I hope the video is edifying. Shalom.